Hi everyone. This is Doris from Soonseal Package. Today, it's my great honor to introduce our horizontal doypack packing machine. This machine is suitable to pack granules, such as crystal monosodium glutamate, sugar, chicken essence, fertilizer, rice and so on. This packing machine adopts precision indexing device and PLC to control each action and working station to make sure the machine operates easily and does accurately. This machine has a total of 6 working steps. The first working position is to take the bag, the second working position is to coat the bag, the third working position is to open the bag and prepare for the product. The fourth working position is filling. The fifth working position is to seal the bag. The sixth working position is to output the finished product. It's with imported gravity sensor to read whether there is product there. No product. Not sealed to save bag. The speed of this machine is 20 to 45 bags/min. This product and pouch contact parts are adopted stainless steel. Okay, thanks for watching. If you are interested in our machine, you are welcome to consult.